You know what? I want to save this VOD. So, right now, you won't be able to hear anything if you're on YouTube. Give me a moment. I gotta remember how to do this. Advanced audio properties. Is that what I want? No. Nope. I want not properties. I will figure this out. File settings. Output. Streaming. Audio track 1. Twitch VOD 5. So we need to put desktop audio onto 5. So we need to go to advanced. Mic is on 5, and now desktop is also on 5. You should be able to hear music now, hopefully. Got Discord messages. What are these about? Okay, anyway. All right. So the goal is to make a old school MMORPG style character controller and go from there. And honestly, we can do a lot of the prototyping right here. So the first thing I want to do is, honestly, do we stick with third person? I'm wondering if I stick with third person or I switch to like a click to move style. I'm thinking maybe I switch actually. Hold on. Let's close this. Let's open up Unreal Engine again. I'm thinking we do a click to move thing and go from there. I will say, even though in the title it is titled MMORPG, that's because it's the style we're going for. I am not actually looking to add network capabilities to this. Let's go ahead and go to games. We're gonna do top down instead. We'll just call it like grind RPG. Create. We are gonna have to get all kinds of assets and stuff, because what I want to do is make something I can click on that has health. I want my character to move to that thing and attack it. I want the health to go down and I want it to disappear. And that's pretty much all I'm going for right now, and we will add to that if we need to, or take away. So here we go. This should work better, because now when I hit play, I should get like a top-down thing, and then when I click, we have a little, I'm assuming, oh, you know what? Hold on, we need to change something. Frame. We want to set a fixed frame rate of 30. This makes it so when I'm streaming, it's not killing my computer. There we go. Cool, and I believe these arrows are actually just Niagara, if I'm not mistaken. If I click up here, yeah, because it's using a nav mesh, it should know to go around like that. And there's a thing here. It knows it can fall off. I don't know if it knows it can go up. It tries, but it fails. Okay, cool. All right, so let's go ahead and first take a look at whatever coding we've got going on. First off, what is cursor? Yeah, this is just the setup. What is M cursor? Oh, that's a material. Then it uses the material to use the Niagara system. Got it. Okay, so that's what cursor is. Characters, we have UE4 mannequin with a bunch of stuff in here, and then we have mannequins with a bunch of stuff in here. Okay, top down. This is where we probably want to go. Blueprints. We have our top-down character controller, and the game mode. Let's take a look at our character controller real quick. It opened up over here. That's fine. We have enhanced input for set destination. It gets the location under the cursor. If it hits something, it sends the location and caches it. I like that naming convention actually for that that kind of variable. And then we run follow. Do we have follow set somewhere? We do. Follow, we send the location, we get our character, get controlled pawn, we get its actor location, unit direction, and then we add movement input. Interesting. I'm not sure I understand this. Getting in the car and gonna head out, I think. Might stop at rallies for food. Oh, okay. I'll figure out dinner then at some point. Okay, move that over. So I'm a little confused on how this is set up. Because when I see this, crap, come on, there we go. We add movement input, target is pawn. We just move in that direction, but it's using the nav mesh is the thing. We have follow and we have move too. So hold on. Let's take a look here. Add mapping context. So at the beginning of the game, yeah, we're using our default setup. Set destination input. Yeah, so we click on something and we go there. What is started? It means stop movement. Oh, so it's saying don't. Do we have a thing? Aborts the move control. Oh, that's open up the C++. That's not what I wanted. Okay, let's close this. I don't want this open. Canceled. Press threshold. Elapsed seconds is less than the threshold. Oh, because I'm assuming we're doing a different one where, like, if we hold, triggered is this. Oh, I get it. Hold on. I think I understand. If we click, it's not doing follow. If we hold, it's doing follow. Watch. I bet now it's going to try to go up the wall. Yup. But if we click, okay, I understand what's happening here. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, we're running the follow command if we're holding it. However, if we click and we aren't holding it, which is what this threshold here is, it will instead issue the moved to instead, which is going to be our cache to destination. Moved to is a simple move to location using our self, and we go to the goal. It doesn't care about rotation and scale apparently. Auto destroy, auto activate. Wait, spawn system at location. Oh, this is the arrow thing. And then simple move to location. Okay, okay. Perfect. All right, cool. I'm excited about this. So, I'm actually curious. This is making me wanting to know if you can tell it that right to left doesn't work, but left to right does. Is there a way to do that? Let's see. We have the left point and the right point, and then we have left project height 0, right project height 1000. If greater than 0, nav system will attempt to project nav link's endpoint on geometry below. I feel dumb for not fully understanding that. Direction both ways. Here it is, but you can set it only from left to right. So then, if we do that, it'll know it can't go up here. Oh my goodness. And then if we click off, it goes off. Oh my God, awesome. Okay, okay, okay. I'm understanding all of this. And then our character is probably nothing. It's just a literal pawn. That's it. Yeah, there's no code here. Which makes sense. And then we got the spring arm to follow our character around. Okay. By the way, I didn't know with the player controller you can add your inputs into the player controller. I know that sounds stupid, but I didn't know that. That's crazy to me. I love it though. All right, so get out of this, get out of follow. What else we got going on in here? So, set destination input touch on release. Also, I just realized, where is it? Get location under cursor is actually a function. So we're gonna get rid of get location under finger, and we're gonna delete this BS for now. Get location under cursor and move to and follow, hit compile and save, and then get location under cursor. What are we running here? Let's learn together. All right, get hit result under cursor by channel. Oh, it's like a line trace by channel, but it uses the cursor. It's literally just a line trace by channel. That's sick. And then it's getting the location, and that's it. But we could absolutely eventually return actors that are hit as well. Okay. So if we ran, so we have blueprints, which is, what is it? It's this stuff. And then what's input? Just our input actions. Default, which is set destination, and oh yeah, we can get rid of touch. We just want click. Yeah, just force delete, I don't care. And then go to IMC default and just delete this. Perfect. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Okay, so what we could do, let's do some testing. We're gonna make a new folder, underscore Brandon BPs. Yo, what up, Volley? Yeah, I am an owl. Nat made this, and it's awesome, and I love it. Or wait, no, you saw it last time too, didn't you? Because I made the joke. I was like, you'll never guess who made this. So this is Dirk BPs. We're gonna make an actor really quick, because this is gonna be a test to see if I'm understanding all of this correctly. This is just gonna be an actor, of course. BP underscore parent clickable. Drew it and rigged it. Yeah, it's fucking awesome. I love it. Like, I can turn stuff, woo, look up and down. So in order to run parent clickable, we do also need to consider an interface. So let's go ahead and grab a new folder. We're gonna call this interfaces, and we're gonna go ahead and create a new blueprint interface, BPI underscore, and we're just gonna call this, this will be our interaction interface. Also, Dark, if you thought my car was bad, Chelsea's is worse. I have headphones in. Oh. We'll get rallies, by the way. New function. We're gonna do interaction underscore request. Just for future proofing, I'm gonna add an interactor, but we might not use this. Also, I really need to pee. You know what? We can't even add an interactor right now. I'm not even gonna do it. We just want the interact request for right now. Let's go out of that. On the clickable, let's go ahead and add the interaction interface we just created. And then on the event graph, let's run a definition. Let's just print string. And it says, hello, underscore, you've clicked me. Compile and save. And then if I understand this correctly, let's go to the player controller. I wonder if it'll let me move top down. It's fine for now. Let's go to blueprints, top down. No, controller. I always forget. Like, now that I know about the controller, my mind is like blown. Dark, you know that Nat you know that means Nat is your mama and papa? I mean, I've offered that to her multiple times, but she always says, no, I'm a bottom, I'm a sub. But I'm like, okay. Compile and save. So if I understand this correctly, we have to add additional implementation to the left click. So let's expand this quite a bit. I think triggered, we leave the same. We don't do a damn thing. Triggered, it just stays the exact same. Started, I think we absolutely leave it on stop movement. This makes complete sense. Canceled and completed. Okay, so with this, what we need to do is essentially run additional logic to see if we're clicking on a thing or if we are not clicking on a thing. So what we need to do is go ahead and unattach move to for now. How in depth are we going with this? I want to prototype it to, one, just be able to do it. It's just kind of like, you know, game dev practice, having some fun. I would like to make a game out of it. That being said, I have no real desire to actually make an MMORPG. This is more the style. I am copying the style. I am not attempting to actually make an MMORPG. So it just depends. Okay, so we have, I wish they would label their branches. Did it hit anything? And then, you know what, even better, wait, get location under cursor. I think did it hit anything's fine. And then here we are running, was it just a click? So was it just a click? If it was just a click, then we need to check. And the way I'm gonna check, we're gonna try to make it a function first. Get location under cursor. Get hit actors. We'll do that. So we're gonna get hit actors, and in order to do that, don't we need to pass? What can I pass actually? Because right now we're caching the location. I guess we just have to do a test. So get location looks like this. Get hit result under cursor by channel. So we need to do that. We need to get hit result under cursor for objects. Oh. Is it objects and location and that's it? Get hit results. No, you can get cursor by channel. Channel should work. Visibility should be fine. And basically what I want to do is let's just break this immediately. We're going to take the hit result and break it. Perfect. But of course we also want to run a branch here. So again, did we hit anything? And then we break the hit result and we basically see if this is valid. Is valid. Because if it's not, we know we didn't click on anything. Did we click on an actor? Just like that. And then basically what I want to do here is we should be able to pass an additional branch. So how do I do this? Out of this false, we need a return. And the return is going to be it's just gonna say hit actor and it's gonna say true or false. If we didn't click on anything, then of course we didn't hit an actor. If we did click on something, we check and see if the hit actor is valid. And if it's not, then yeah, again, we did not hit an actor. If it is valid, then we return true, but we also want to return that hit actor. And I'm realizing I'm gonna have to, I want to change my naming convention. So what do I want to name this Boolean? What makes sense here? I guess I could just be literal. Did we hit actor? I hate that long of a name, but it works. And then just hit actor. File and save. All right, I really gotta pee. I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go pee. Ah, I gotta go pee. Ah. Okay, I'm back. Rallies is pretty good, not gonna lie. You know, 7 Brunette, that was Rallies. And then they went out of business, and yeah. And this can be a pure function, which is sick. So let's change this to a pure function. Pure. Compile and save. So now we can run get hit actors. So was it just a click? If yes, we need to run and check and see if did we hit any actors? If we did, that'll be different logic than if we didn't. So let's go ahead and so yeah, if we didn't hit actors, we run move to. That makes sense. But if we did hit an actor, we wanna do what they did up here, which I love, by the way. I love that naming convention, cached. So we'll just add. We're gonna do cached actor, cached clicked actor, even just so it's even more specific. I'll just set it to an actor object reference. You were here. Wait. Oh yeah, that's right. So you would just set this. Boop. Boop. So I'm curious when they're clearing the cast location, if they're even clearing it. Are they? That's the question. It would be in follow or move to. They're not doing it here. Are they move toing it? Nope, they're not clearing it, which is fine. It doesn't need to be cleared to be clear, but yeah. We tried to go and it was closed. I don't remember that. I believe you. I don't remember that. All right, cool. So as of right now, the only thing I want to have happen whenever I click on an actor is I want it to send the interaction request, which obviously this is not enough functionality for an actual situation, but for now, it'll work. Whatever your name is, yeah. All right, so if my code works the way I believe that it does, I should be able to pull this out. Oh, we need to give it a temporary static mesh because as of right now, I can't click it. Let's go ahead and add a static mesh. And we're just gonna call it like clickable. Sure. All right, and then I need to add just anything. Sure, sphere. Perfect. We added a sphere. How big is it? Pretty big. All right, so let's go ahead and see. So if it's still working without me having to do anything. Weird, the clicking stopped working. Something about what I did made the clicking stop working. Interesting, but can I click on something? It does, the clicking still works. I love it. I love that. I love that for me because it means I understand it. Okay, so what's going on? Why is it all of a sudden being like dumb? It's only running follow and it's never running this. Is the elapsed time less than the press threshold? If yes, we know it's a click, right? Why wouldn't it run? And then we say, do we hit any actors? And then if no, it's supposed to run, it's supposed to do move to. I actually don't know what's going on. Like, no matter what, this happens, which is fine. However, what I don't like is we're not getting down here for some reason. Let's run a print string on this fail on was it just a click? Wasn't a click, just like that. And we'll hit compile and save, and let's see what happens when I click. So it's detecting it as a click, and then if I hold, it knows, yeah, it wasn't a click, so it doesn't run. Interesting. So it is detecting it as a click. So we know we're passing the Boolean. So we're passing the Boolean, and we're getting to here, and we're running, did we hit any actors? And if we did, we're caching it, and we're sending an interaction request. And just in case, we're gonna run a print string that specifically says, you clicked an actor. And then we're gonna run a print string after move to, and it's gonna say, you did not click an actor. And let's see what our logic is doing. So whenever we click, what message are we getting? You clicked an actor. It's saying we're clicking an actor every single time. So that's the issue, and it's trying to send a message to the actor each time, even though we're not hitting one. So that makes me think that my logic of checking if hit actor is valid is not going to work. Interesting. Okay. So does that mean, out of curiosity, does that mean that it's picking up the ground as an actor? Is it gonna pick up like random geometry as actors? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test this. We are gonna go to our event graph, and Because it's saying we clicked an actor, let's make this message more clear. Instead of just saying you clicked an actor, let's get a format text, and we're gonna create a message that says you clicked an actor, and then it's gonna give us a colon, and then we'll pass the actor name. So the actor name will of course be right there. And this is what it'll print. So is it picking up the floor as an actor? Let's see. It is. It's saying the static meshes are actors. That's really unfortunate. Okay. That's stupid. Why is it picking up static meshes as actors? I don't like that. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the appropriate way to use, hold on, let me actually move this over here for a sec. Just in case. Okay, that should be fine. All right, so basically, what's the exact node name? Get hit result under cursor by channel, okay. Oh, you know what we're gonna have to do? We're gonna have to change the channel. Oh goodness, okay, we have to change the channel. So what we need to do is go to project setting, type in channel. I gotta remember how to add a channel. New object channel, new trace channels. Here we go. New trace channel. It'll be, oh goodness, I guess block, and the name will be interactable. Okay, so then what we want to do is go to here, and then the trace channel, compile and save, will be interactable instead. And then our parent item needs to set itself to interactable. So we need to go to, oh, you know what? No, the default needs to be ignore. I just realized what that meant. Edit this. Ignore. I lost an earbud? Oh goodness. Well, luckily, I think those are like at Walmart for cheap. I think you can just get some of those, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, we need to go to our collision. I guess it would be the SM's collision here. And we need to go to collision preset, and we need to find interactable and set it to block. So just set this to custom, interactable, block. So, wait, did I just change everything to block by accident? What did I just do? Control Z. Oh, it's because it already blocks everything. Okay. Compile and save. So now, if I'm not mistaken, because it's only looking for interactable stuff, this should work better. You did not click an actor. You did not click an actor. You did not click an actor. And there it goes. Now it's like, ah, yes, you have clicked an actor, and it's reacting accordingly. Perfect. Oh my God. We're doing it, guys. Guys, we're doing it. We're getting those brain juices flowing. We're learning how to use the logic, and we're making a thing. All right, cool. Perfect. I love that. So yeah, I think clickable objects by default will definitely have a static mesh. That makes sense. And I won't add anything else to the parent for now. I think this is a good start. I do want to clear the static mesh off of the parent though, because we don't need it to exist. It's you are nothing more than a parent. All right, so let's go ahead and right click, new folder, and this will be clickable. So now anytime we make a clickable child, we'll put it in here. Okay, cool. There's a lot we need to consider though. Let's go, no head empty. Oh, let's go, no head empty. I get it now, okay. I don't know why, but it took me a moment to process that. All right, so Let me think about what would need to happen here. So let's run a verbal exercise, okay? We click on an actor, specifically something that we want to interact with. Now, this could be an enemy. It could be a node for like mining. It could be a vendor. Essentially, what I'm realizing in my head is no matter what, in a game like this, if you left click, it typically means you want to move to that actor and or use whatever's in your hand. So like if I was to implement a bow, we would want to, you know, shoot at it. And then if almost any other context, we would want to move to it. So, cool. Let's go ahead and remove the interaction request and remove our debug information and continue our logic. So we set and we have a cached clicked actor. And what we want to do with that cached click actor is we want to get actor location, like that. Easy enough. And then we want to update our cached destination. So cached destination, or actually, you know what? Get location, get random location, navigational radius. Ooh, we'll see. We'll see if this works or not. It might not work. We'll give it like a radius of 10. Because I don't like that it's getting a random one and not the closest one. I might have to run additional logic on this. But for now, we'll get that. We'll set it as the cached destination. So we want current cached destination. We'll set that here. And then you could just run move to, correct? Because no matter what, unless it's like a bow, which I would change the logic up a little bit, you're still gonna want to get there. So let's see what that does. Oh, you know what? I deleted the only actor I had. Let's go ahead and create a child. Create child blueprint class. And this will be a BP clickable, and then underscore, I don't know, test item for now. I don't care. Put that into the clickables. And then, yeah, we just need to set up a static mesh. We'll just use the same sphere. Compile and save. Cool. So now I should be able to pull out my clickable test thing. So I'm hoping it always picks the easiest destination possible, but I don't know. Let's see. It didn't. Every time I click it, it's like interesting. I wonder if it's because the radius isn't big enough. Like the allowable radius. Let's increase that. So top-down controller, let's increase this radius to like 50. It still doesn't want to do it, does it? It's like failing hard. To be fair though, it's because I can see it moving, like it's trying to pick a spot. I think the radius is still just too small, which is going to be an interesting thing because it means that every single item is going to have a different radius. But I don't think I want to use random location anyway, because as you can see, it's not always picking the easiest spot. So instead, if we get actor location, you know what? This is where we use ChatGPT to stimulate an idea. In UE5, I'm creating a point and click system where I use, what's the node called? I always forget because I'm not used to using it. Get hit result under cursor by channel. Get hit result under cursor by channel. So in UE5, I'm creating a point and click system where I use get hit result under cursor by channel and returning if any actors if any actors blocking the layer interactable are returned. Or returning if any actors blocking the layer interactable are hit. I then want the character, or I'll be specific. I then want the pawn to move to the actor I tried using random navigable location in radius, but I want the closest location and angle from the starting position of the pawn. To achieve the desired behavior in Unreal Engine 5, you can use the following steps to get the closest location to the nav mesh to the hit actor. Get hit result under cursor, yep. Find the closest point, get the actor's location, and find the nearest navigatable location around the hit actor by calculating the closest point on the nav mesh. That's basically what I'm asking you how to do, though. Here we go. Use the project point to navigation node. Project point to navigation node? Wait, is that a thing? The problem with using GPT with Unreal Engine 5 is it makes shit up all the time. What did it want me to use again? Project point to navigation. Project point to... Oh yeah, look, project point to navigation. Okay. Input the actor's location, in parentheses the hit location, and set a small search radius to find the closest point. So this is the point. And then it's saying within this destination. So I would have to think about this because this is gonna I'm gonna have to play with this because I don't know. Let's do like 5, 5, and 0. And then this is where it wants to go. All right, let's see if that works. I actually have no idea. I've never used this node before. So let's hit play. Click, we're good. Click, we're good. Click, 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 click. Yeah. Okay. Also, I don't think it's picking up that we're clicking it. Or is it? Oh, it's not. Hold on. Print, just because I want to make sure I know it's still getting like clicked. You've clicked me. Let's just make sure it's still getting clicked before we get too crazy. Yeah, it's not even picking up that we're clicking it at this point. Why? What happened? This is clickable test item, which is a child of the parent clickable. So now I'm just confused as to why all of a sudden it's like not working. Collision. Is it still set up correctly? Hold on. SM clickable collision. It is. It's blocking everything, including the interactable channel. Okay. Did I fuck something up? No. This is still exactly the same, basically. So now I'm very confused as to what's going on. Because it's saying I'm not clicking it now. Now it's just like, no. Interesting. This is a test item, correct? It is. Okay. This is set up correctly. Okay. What? Oh, I'm stupid. We're not sending the interact request anymore. I forgot. Okay, so this might be working, actually. It's just being dumb. So, for my own sanity, let's add the interact request again. Because I thought it was useless, but then I realized, no, it's still good for debugging. So is it picking up the interact request? Okay, it's picking up the interact request, but we're not doing the following. And the following is getting the actor location, project point to navigation. Point is the default point, I can only imagine. Query extent, 5 by 5. And then we return the cache destination and move to it. What is the query extent actually? Like, what is the query extent on this? What's it called? Project point node. Or project, whatever. The query extent on the project point to navigation node defines the search area around the target point in 3D space, where the node will look for a location on the nav mesh. It is a vector representing the half extents of the search box in each direction. X defines the search extent in the forward and back direction. Yeah. If you want to find the closest navigational point to the actor's location, you should set these values based on the size of the area you want to search within. A smaller extent means the function will return points very close to the target, while a larger extent increases the search range. If you want to search within 100 units... So is this from the 0 on the unit? I bet this is the 0, which means that we need to know the size of the static mesh. Which is insane to me, actually. I hate that. I actually hate that. Can we get that information? I don't think we can. Like, I don't... See, it won't go to it, right? I think I know the problem, but if I increase this to like... Where is it? If I increase this to like 300, watch. It'll probably, or even 500, watch. It'll probably work. Like, I'll get kind of far away from it, and I'll click it, and you'll see me get within 500 units of it and then stop. Watch. It's still not working. Okay. I guess it could fail. Hold on, I have an idea. It could fucking fail. I bet this can fail and it's fine. Hold on. This might just work and it'll fail and it's fine. Oh, but it like goes around it. It like tries to like do something weird. It always goes to like this, like a weird spot on it. Specifically, weirdly, the left-hand side. Okay. So even making it fail isn't working. Okay, let's pretend that node will not work. What is another method because I can't dynamically set a query that changes based on the size of the actor. Manually calculating a valid point. Get the actor's bounds. Get actor bounds to retrieve the actor's bounding box, which gives you the center and size of the actor. This helps you calculate the closest point near the actor without needing a fixed query extent. Determine the direction from the pawn to hit the actor using the difference between okay. All right. Get actor bounds. First off, let's see if that's even real. Oh my god, I didn't double click it. Why are you opening Visual Studio? I didn't double click it. I'm mad at you. No, go away. I'm mad at you. I'm disappointed in you. Go away. Visual Studio within the hour, please. Okay. Get actor bounds. As I fucking thought. Oh wait, I'm stupid. Never mind. Get actor bounds. Oh my god, that is a thing. Okay. Origin and box extent. Bro. Okay, hold on. This might work. Bro, this might work. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this a little bit more. We're gonna need the space, I can already tell. So first off, let's move this back because it's in the freaking way. And let's take a look and see at what it wants us to do. First off, what is this? Why do I have a notification? Don't care. Okay. ChatGPT, I need you. Use the pawn's location and the hit actor's location to determine the direction vector. Now that I think about it, why is the box extent a vector? Bro. Anyway, sorry. I'm like losing my mind because I'm trying to like not only do it but understand it. Okay. I feel like this is way too complicated. Like, it's more complicated than it needs to be. Am I stupid for thinking that? Like, what the fuck? Maybe I'm not using enough data. Maybe I should add like a capsule component to all of my stuff. So, or even a sphere. I feel like a sphere is better. So if we added a sphere, no, you know what? I'm gonna try a capsule. So we'll do capsule collision, I guess. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see you, and I'm so hungry. And I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do something for food. I don't know what yet, but I'm hungry. But I really can't wait to see you either. Okay, so instead of SM clickable, you know what? I have an idea. Because this will actually make everything run better too. If I take SM clickable and we go to collision and just make it not have any. So we want no collision, character can step on, no. Compile and save. And then go to capsule collision. And then hit, can character step on, yes, or I would be no. And then collision preset, custom. Because we're not going to be or simulating physics. So this might actually be better. And then we want it to block interactable. So compile and save. Which means now we need to go to the viewport and take our capsule component and make it the right size. It's okay. Capsule radius. I don't know how big it needs to be. We have to take the half height up. I have no clue. Why is it so big? It's fucking crazy. In fact, for the sake of my sanity, let's make this like half the fucking size. Jesus Christ. Make this like 75, 100, and then capsule radius. Let's just bring it up. Yeah, just something like that. So there we go. Oh, it's 100 and 100 right now. What if we took it to like 90 and 90? Even better, 85, 85. There, let's just try that. Okay, so now we have the exact collision of it. I'm just trying to figure out what I can do with that information. It's mind-blowing to me that getting an actor to walk to another actor is as difficult as it is. Like, in a way that's intuitive. Because obviously I can do it, but it's not doing it in a way that's intuitive. It's like running around it and shit. What we could do, you know what we could do? I'm like losing my mind. Because this is not gonna work. This is stupid as fuck what ChatGPT is telling me to do. That's what I was doing, Nat. But whenever I would do that, it would go up to the object and then cram its face into it and like try to rotate around it to try to get to the point and then eventually give up because the point is unreachable. Does that make sense? So it was like, I can't get to it. And then it just stopped. So I'm trying to find the point. Damn, hopefully you can hear it. If not, it's all right. So we have get actor location. We have actor bounds with the origin. It finally loaded. All right. Did you hear it, or do I need to say it again? So let me delete this. I'm wondering if no, I heard. So basically, whenever I did that, the actor would approach from a random angle because Unreal Engine was trying to figure out how to get to the point because the point was inside the actor. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Can't you move to act? Hold on. I just thought of something. Hold on. Hold, fucking hold. Hold. Fucking hold. I just remembered you can do something. Hold fucking hold. Wait, what? Controller must have a connection. Oh, because it needs an AI controller to do this. Damn. Okay, hold on. Move to... Simple move to actor. Wait, can't you do self here? Wait. Fucking wait. Okay, hold on. We need that to collide. We need that to collide. Hold. Everyone hold. So we want this to block pretty much just pawns, yes? Compile and save. See, so this is why I'm having an issue where it's driving me insane. And I'm saying it's not intuitive. If I put myself up here and I click it, it brings me to the bottom. Like, what? Why? Why is that what you're doing? I don't understand. Like, what the fuck? Why? I'm losing my gosh darn mind thinking about this. I thought I was getting clever with the move to actor, but it has the same issue. I have an idea. Get actor location. Get controlled pawn. Get actor location. Okay. Forget that method. I have an idea. If I have the location of both actors, what is the math I need to do to get the angle, then apply, oh, what's it called? Fuck my ass, call me a bitch. What was that one thing called? Get actor bounds? Yeah. Box extent. Then apply the box extent to know the locate. Wait, forget that method. I have an idea. If I have the location of both actors, what is the math I need to do to get the angle? Then apply the box extent to know that location. Sure, let's see if it can fucking figure out what the hell I'm talking about. Get the actor location. Okay. The direction equals the actor location minus the pawn location. Okay. Actor location minus the pawn location. So here's our angle. Getting angle. How do I put this? Determining angle. I don't know how else to put it. I want it to be more clear. If you guys have an idea of how I should put that, let me know. We're determining the angle. Normalize the direction vector so that it represents the direction from the pawn to the actor without affecting the magnitude. So we need to normalize the direction. How do I normalize it? I mean, I have a thing here. I don't know what normalizing does. I feel stupid. Gets a normal unit copy from the vector, ensuring it's safe to do so based on the length. Returns, okay. Let's just trust in ChatGPT for now. Okay. Okay, we normalized it. Get actor bounds. Yep. This gives you the size. Yep. Now that you have the normalized direction, you can multiply it by the actor's box extent. Okay, so we take this and we multiply it by the box extent. Now that you have the normalized direction, oh wait. And that's it? If this is true, I'm gonna be so happy. It's not doing anything. It's like not returning shit. Look, it like won't even go. It's like, nope. Nope. I was wondering. Why does ChatGPT say it needs normalized again? Can we skip this? Let's see. Normalize the direction vector so that it represents the direction from the pawn to the actor. I'm so fucking confused what normalization does. Maybe this? I don't fucking, what? I'm just not gonna normalize it. Like, what's the worst that can happen? Everything fucking explodes. Okay, well, it's not the normalization anyway. It's not working. So even normalizing it, it wasn't the issue. So let's just continue to normalize just in case. We take the origin, we subtract the pawn, the actor location. Because that's what it wants. Let's just double check we're doing this the way it says. Get the world location. Up. Subtract the pawn's location. Oh, you know what we're doing? We're doing it backwards. We're doing it backwards. Or wait, are we? Hold on. Actor location minus pawn. So no, it was correct. Actor location minus pawn. Normalize. Apply the box extent to calculate the closest point. You can multiply it by the actor's box extent. Yeah, it says now that you have the normalized direction, multiply it by the actor's box extent. Actor minus pawn, normalize. Normalize times box extent. Whoa, no, it's being weird. It's actually actor location plus normalized times box extent. Interesting. So this plus this is that it? It did it backwards. It did it backwards. Yeah, it's doing it in reverse. Okay. I mean, we were getting somewhere, but it's doing it in reverse. It's actor location plus the multiplied values. Yes. So it seems to be doing the reverse question mark. I go to the opposite side of the node or of the actor instead of the closest. If you're using actor location plus that, it's likely pushing the point outward in the direction of the actor's center. What you want is to move the actor's center outward toward the pawn, not the other way around. I mean, yeah, no shit. Instead of moving from the actor to the pawn, move the actor's bounding box toward the pawn. Pawn location minus actor location. Oh, so I was right. It is going to be here in the opposite. Is this what we want? Bro, there we go. Oh my god, thank the Lord, dude. I'm so happy right now. Woo! Alright, hell yeah. Got that under control. DB clickable test item. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Like, I don't... Whew. Okay, 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 we got it. I'm so happy. Let's clean this though, so we know what the hell's going on. Okay, so first off, this needs to be on top. So we're getting the actor location and we're determining the angle by subtracting the actor bounds. And I'm gonna actually do this real quick. Okay. So, sorry, I'm like cleaning this up. I hate whenever my code looks hard to follow. I also hate whenever Unreal Engine does this thing where it's like, you're hovering something, and it's like, but I'm not, though, is the thing. Okay. So we determine the angle. Oh. Well, thank you for the bits, CB. How are you doing, man? What sucks is I don't understand this math completely. I'm glad it's working, but like, I'm not sure how. Just stopping by. Well, I appreciate you stopping by and saying, hey, throwing a couple of dimes at me. Appreciate you. I understand this. We subtract the locations and that gives us a angle. Okay. The normalization, I'm assuming, is just a safety method to make sure that the angle makes sense. It's not like an unusable set of data. So we take that angle and we multiply it by the box extent. Wait, I know why. I just figured out why. Oh my God. Okay, move all this so we can make notes. Distance. So this is the distance. This is distance to bounds of actor. This is the angle. This is the distance. And so you take both those sets of data and add it. So we get the angle, we get the bounds, and then from the actor, add distance and bounds. Add distance and angle to get closest point. There we go. I get it now. I'm in Shelbyville. Gotta pick up her. I'm having like 15 minutes max. Okay. Perfect. Now, what I need to do is see if we can figure out a way to know when it successfully thinks it's made it or not made it. Because we'll send the interaction request once we have successfully made it. Okay, so let's see. Let me use my brain noggin here real quick. So let's click on move to. It's using simple move to, so I actually don't know if we can. Let's open up GPT again. So if we're using a simple move to node, can we know when the AI nav thinks it has successfully or failed to get to the point? You don't directly get success or failure events, but you can achieve this by using the AI Move To node. The AI Move To node provides execution pins that allow you to determine if the AI has successfully reached the destination. Instead of using simple, just use AI Move To. Wait, can you just do that? Nope. I love when it's just absolutely fucking wrong. I love when it's just fucking wrong, dude. Alright, that's fine. We might have to switch to a full-on fucking AI system, though, in order to keep track of this data. Because I think we are gonna have to know whenever we show up at a location, so I don't think simple move to is gonna work for that. But for now, I'm gonna hop off of here. I'm really hungry. I need to figure out food. Thank you everyone that showed up, CB, Volley, Nat, anyone else that's here, hit that follow button. But I'm gonna go figure out some food. I'm hungry, and I'll see you guys in the next one.